North Point Healthcare Center is located off of Bullard between First and Fresno. What we do here is we're a skilled nursing facility where we offer rehab for patients that are in the hospital, like if they had a broken hip and they need some rehabilitation. And for the most part, it's for residents that this becomes their home. So we basically help them on a daily basis with their ADL needs, helping them provide their care. We also provide their meals for them, and then we also keep them engaged with activities, and that's my role. Everyone says they want to work in skilled facilities, nursing facilities, because they want to be close with the elderly. But once they get into it, it's kind of hard. So we give them that extra boost to see how it is to work here before they actually making the commitment. The great thing about working with Workforce Connection is that the people that they do provide for us have the soft skills, that knowing that this is a workplace, they have to be here on time, having the connection and communication with their supervisors. She was part of the program, and then I hired her. She's a very hard worker. She's very committed. Residents enjoy her. She's always up for new ideas because we work in activities, so we always have to have something fun for the residents. So she's very good in brainstorming and things like that.
I really liked it. It's a really great program if that's something that you need help with, like getting a job, because for the longest I was having a hard time because I didn't have any work experience. So they really helped me with that. And then they also cater to whatever career you're interested in. And then since I was interested in healthcare, they connected me with North Point. They did a 2-week course. They prepped you on interview questions. They also had a practice interviewer, and then they ranked you off that. Then also off your personality type, what kind of person you'd be in a workplace. So they really catered it to whatever suits you best. I really like all the residents. I think they can be pretty funny at times. I also like the staff. They're really friendly too. I was welcomed when I first came, and everyone just knows each other. One of my favorite games to play with the residents is balloons and noodles. They really enjoy that because they can get pretty competitive. They'll go back and forth with each other. They'll be there for a while, so I really enjoy watching that. It's a bit entertaining.
I would love to continue to work with Workforce Connection because the participants that they do have are very eager, and their mindset is on what they wanted to do in the future. On behalf of North Point Healthcare and Wellness Center, we would like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award and Alexis for the nomination. We greatly appreciate it.